Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your active status on Messenger. So if you want to control your privacy and you don't want to anyone to find out that you are currently active on Messenger, this is how you can turn it off. First, open the Messenger apps on your phone. You can click on the three dots, the gear icon at the top, and here under the profile section there will be this active status. So you can see that my status is currently on. So if you want to hide your activity status, you can just click on this. And now what you need to do is just disable these two options until it turns to gray. So you can post active status. You can choose the time until I change it for 1 hour, for 8 hours, until 8 a.m. or p.m. for example, or you can also just custom. I'm going to just use until I change it. After that, click on post, and now just like that the active status will be hidden. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, man, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.